Hi, my name is Isha Andy, and I'm the president and founder of the Health Careers High School's JSA chapter. So, let's get started. Our JSA chapter was founded in November of 2023, but we have gradually increased chapter participation to a whopping number between 35 to 40 paid chapter members, which I think is a huge deal because our school is only composed of around 2,000 students, and before 5 months ago, nobody at Health Careers even knew that JSA existed. However, because we started late in the year, many members weren't prepared to attend JSA national conventions. So, to make up for that, with the money we have and will earn from our fundraisers, we are arranging an ACR convention with professional debates, keynote speakers, quiz bowl, and so much more at our high school for later in the year. This way, Health Careers JSA members and even neighboring chapters will get to experience JSA conventions. But why us? What's so important about the Health Careers JSA chapter? We symbolize JSA's strength and prosperity because even though our JSA chapter was founded just last year, we have rapidly grown and shown leadership, true dedication among members, and passion for inspiring a service based and politically active future of Texan teens. So this year, we worked a lot with the League of Women Voters of the San Antonio area. We met up with their president, Ms. Madhu Sridhar, and together we developed methods for how we can increase youth voter turnout and registration and motivate Texan teens to be more politically involved. We've started and are currently leading a social media campaign to increase youth voter education through content creation. Content is both published on the League's and our particular JSA chapter's social media platforms. Also, because in Texas you can't register to vote online and only a volunteer deputy registrar can receive completed voter registration applications, we partner with the League of Women Voters to hold voter registration drives at libraries. This picture over here is us with the League at the Public Cody Branch Library. Right now, the Health Careers JSA chapter is working on having informative brochures available for health career students to learn about the upcoming elections. And we are also working to bring the league's practice voting machines to our school so students can actually familiarize themselves with the voting process. So these are some of the posts we've designed for our social media campaign. As you can see, we put in a lot of hard work to present useful information in an aesthetic and easily digestible way. Characteristic of our Health Careers chapter is that JSA members develop teamwork, communication, public speaking, and leadership skills, not only through debates and officer positions, but also through designing and leading presentations to educate JSA members and health careers students over a wide variety of topics. For example, we had an officer discuss poverty awareness and how we as a chapter can help eliminate poverty in San Antonio during January, the National Poverty Awareness Month. Several members were motivated to help out at the food bank and that Healthy for the Homeless after the presentation. Also, to improve JSA members' public speaking skills, we have had several student led presentations featuring the process of developing speeches, how to dissolve the fear of public speaking, and more, followed by debates, thought talks, and speech contests. Along with that, we have officers present slideshows over civic engagement, governmental processes, and grassroots activism to ensure that JSA members understand what composes a democracy. Also, so our JSA members are up to date with current political events. We have an appointed chapter director of political awareness to educate members. We, as a JSA chapter, find it important to communicate and work with other nonprofit organizations to truly impact our community. For example, Youth Move was looking forward to helping members of their organization become more politically active. So, we discussed action plans for working together to encourage their members to vote, learn about political processes, etc. On top of that, we organized projects for a school book drive and fundraiser to bring more resources to the Family Violence Prevention Services shelters, bring their speakers to educate students about domestic violence at Health Careers High School, and have our JSA chapter directly volunteer at their shelters later in the year. Here are some other things we did. We wrote letters to veterans on Veterans Day, November 11th, which was also our first official meeting. We hosted Kahoot and other trivia games throughout the year to test the members' knowledge of democratic processes, voter registration, etc. We also had numerous meaningful political debates, thought talks, and speech competitions. We informed Health Careers Open House parents, middle schoolers, and freshmen over what Junior State of America is, JSA's missions, and how parents can prepare for primary elections. We also conducted our first ever fundraiser, a Valentine's Day Candy Grant fundraiser, which was super successful because we made more than $400, which I think is a huge deal for our first fundraiser. So, we are currently preparing a donut sale and a gourmet popcorn fundraiser. Our dedicated officers undertook teamwork tasks to research successful social media campaign strategies, activism initiatives, and fundraising techniques for us to learn and advance our Health Careers JSA chapter. We are also thinking about putting all of this research we gathered into creating a series of topic specific chapter guides to help other chapters with campaigns, activism initiatives, etc. Also, we met with District 8 San Antonio Councilman Manny Pelaez and gave policy recommendations, went through upcoming volunteering opportunities, discussed the political and economic aspects of San Antonio, and more. Here are some more pictures of when we were preparing the candy grants for our fundraiser. I thought it was a really cool and exciting experience. Concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.